Alrighty. Dog. He's doing things. We'll not question him. Okay. So, final one. Yeah. I don't know what to say anymore. I've been enjoying building. I'm a little tired. I'm a little sleepy. I instead of having a nap, I've started building Lego, and now I'm a little bit sleepy. This one, depending how long it takes, I may put in another video. So if you're seeing this at the start of the video, I don't know. Hi. I'm losing it. Alright, so now the fun part. Disassemble, reassemble. So, yeah, this one might be a little more complicated because it goes bag by bag, and there are no bags anymore. There's no concept of bags anymore. So, yeah, a little different now. But yeah, take it all apart, put it all back together. Hopefully, it will be too hard to take apart. I'm already envisioning that might be a little annoying. With the flowers there. It shouldn't be too bad, I don't think. Anyway, yes. Disassembly. Oh, how I will eat those words. And right as I start recording, of course, a doggy walks in. Loud little nails. Anyway, yeah, the actual keytar I've since learned, that is what it's called. It's not that bad at all to take apart because it was just like little straight pieces connected, so pretty easy to take apart. It'll be the actual flowers and a specific piece that will give me much pain, but I do figure it out. I believe I show you as well how I did it. We love a queen who can do it all, take things apart and give tutorials at the same time. Incredible. That's why I earn the big bucks, as it were. Yeah, I don't really know what to say. Unbuilding, as I've named it, I suppose. I suppose it better described as deconstruction, but the unbuilding to building thing, I don't know. That it makes me laugh. Who needs grammar? Am I right? But yeah, I don't really know what to say. Here I am struggling. The struggle, as always, very real, very present. That's a problem with Lego. It holds together too well, you know? It's just got too much clutch power. Real problem for me. I experience it so often in my daily life. There you can see, I give up. But, don't worry. I'll get back to that and, fix the issue, as it were. But, yeah, no, the rest of it wasn't too bad. Fire was a bit difficult, especially that part I can't take apart, but yeah. The rest of it, pretty simple. Just also piece it together. Right back to me. Okay, so like before, I've spent like 20 minutes doing this. This one is very stuck together. Like, there's nothing. I don't know space, so I don't know how I'm getting this off. It's stuck on there. Oh, I got it. Genius. Alright, how I did that? I don't know why I'm explaining it, but in case anyone vaguely watches this. Alright, it was stuck on. I put it on something, and then I put one of these, the green stalks in. Just put it in enough that it was only in the yellow bit, and then I just pushed it off. So, note to self, do that in future if stuck. Alright. Finally, after like 20 minutes, I can actually make the thing that I wanted to make. Alright. Let's get to it.
Alright. And the lights definitely didn't magically turn on, and I definitely didn't cut that out. But get to it. Once more we shall. Third and final time, I'll probably be rebuilding the set. I don't think I'll. Oh, dog. I don't think I'll ever, go back and, like, take it apart again to rebuild it. I don't know, maybe I'm ever like, oh, want to build Lego, but don't want to buy more Lego. Money safe. Save money. I'm not good at saving money, so it'd be a good idea. Alas, I'm not good at ideas. I don't know what I'm talking about. My friend, whom I make this for, Sarah, who I know is watching, her boyfriend was just like, "Man, she can talk a lot," and I'm like, I sure can. I'm so good at that. Anyway, yeah, this one was nice to build. I was a little tired at the end of all this, which I think I do say, because at this point I'd built the other two and also disassembled the other two, and I do not remember off the top of my head, but it's probably like 2-3 hours spent doing this. And it's quite tiring. Also, I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little weird. I'm only just remembering now that the last one I recorded before I caught a cold. I've still got this cold, and I'd rather I didn't have it, but alas, we don't get everything we want in life. But yeah, I also built some Lego while I have this cold, so look forward to that. Been ages since I'd actually built any Lego. Like, just funny to me because I have so much. Just got really weirdly productive, but like in a doing fun things productive kind of way, Not in the I'm going to clean my room and organize things and do all this stuff and blah blah blah. Never would be that. That'd be silly. But yeah, the making of this typewriter was very, very satisfying. They included so many details on it. Like the other two were just very like, a nice little guitar, nice little flower pot, and like the little pen and notepad and stuff. But this is where they really went. They went hard, as they say. Like so many little slidey bits. Like the typewriter kind of has that bobbing up and down kind of functionality. I don't know. Like like obviously it doesn't like fully start typing things. That makes me wonder because there is I believe, a full typewriter, like a bigger typewriter set. So I'm curious how much functionality that one would have. Sorry, there's a dog walking behind me. He's very loud. He's very cute though. But anyway, like I wonder how much functionality would it have compared to this one. Where would it have the buttons press in, kind of like how if you press a spacebar on this, like, would it also bob up and down? I don't know. I don't think I'd ever get the typewriter. Okay, thank you for walking back out. Thanks. He's very, very considerate dog. May have been a bit of a cut there. Don't worry about it. My sister totally didn't just walk in, and I felt bad about having her face in the video. Anyway, yeah, now just the last bits of the flowers. As much as I enjoy building flowers, it gets tedious when it's rebuilding flowers over and over again, and it's all the spiky bits. Like, they like doing these little cute little, oh, they look like petals because they're all pointy and sharp, and they hurt your fingers when you build them, and it's like, yes, great flowers. Love those, I guess. Uh, they were more annoying to unbuild, as as you say, unbuild. But yeah. I actually have another 3-in-1 set, and I hope there's less flowers in it, which is saying something. But I have so many other sets as well. But I look forward to making them. I need to stop being obsessed with flowers. This is why my fingers always hurt when building Lego. But anyway, that's enough. Back to me.
Alright. Finally done. I love how this looks, and I love how mechanical it is. Like, you can see the rail goes back and forth. Like, you can turn this. The keyboard, actually, like with the space bar, goes up and down. Such a cool little detail. I really like how it looks. I'm not really a pink person, but I really like how it looks. Little flowers added in. Yeah, and then it has the option, like, because of the different. I think I said this for the flower, or not, they're all flowers. For the flower pot and pen and notepad, they had the little different notes you can put in, so I could just take this out. I don't want to mess with it right now, but because I do want to keep this one. But you can take it out and just like put in a different one. But yeah, I love how this looks. I really enjoy building these. This one I think took about 40 something minutes, about 45 maybe. After the traumatizing amount of disassembling, yeah, finally done with this whole box set. Like I said, I don't know if this is the second video, maybe even a third if I can be bothered to edit that many videos. Probably not. I'm a very lazy person. But yeah, really like this build. Really loved all, but I really like the other two sets as well. Didn't think I would as much, but I really like them. This one obviously used pretty much all the pieces. But the others, it's just such a cool idea. Like, it just shows how creative you can be with Lego, where out of all these random pieces, not random, but you know what I mean, you can get 3 different sets. I've got another one of these 3-in-1 sets waiting to be built. It's a bit bigger though, so that one would definitely be, what do you call them? 3 separate videos. But yes, this was super fun. Another very enjoyable Lego build. I love Lego. I will probably never stop building Lego unless I die, I guess. It's the only way I could stop. Because why fill my house with random knickknacks when I could fill it with Lego? I don't own a house, but one day I might, and that's what's gonna be in it, Lego. Anyway, enough rambling. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.